Hey traders, it's Justin from the chat and forums, and this is my day trading setup. For those that know me, I'm obsessed with efficiency in hotkeys, with my equipment, and in general life hacks. It's helped me become a successful day trader. I use a Dell XPS to power everything through a Thunderbolt dock. It sits on a laptop stand to bring it up to eye level. And connected and mounted are two high refresh rate, low response time 24-inch Dell monitors. I use a wired low profile Logitech G815 mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboards are great for trading because of fast execution and they help prevent errors. My mouse is a wired Logitech G502. Non-execution hotkeys are tied to the thumb and finger side buttons, and is paired and calibrated with a Logitech G440 mousepad. Wired peripherals are my preference for trading safely. I use a pair of noise-canceling headphones mounted on the side of my desk with a clip I designed and 3D printed. I use a standing desk to fit my comfort level throughout the day. I custom made my desk using a 48-inch Mango wood top, and it has dual motor legs for quick transitions. I often trade standing as it keeps me more alert, and I use a standing pad to reduce fatigue. My chair is a Capisco by Hog. It's ergonomically designed to fit a multitude of sitting and half-standing positions. When trading, I use my laptop to run the chat room. My center monitor is where I set up my morning list on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and day charts. I keep the main stock I'm focused on in this window and move 2 or 3 to my secondary monitor. Each chart gets a dedicated montage for quick executions. Portability is important to me. Everything is connected through a single Thunderbolt cable. When I'm done trading at the desk, I can simply unplug the cable from my laptop and I'm good to go. And being on the go, you'll be hard pressed to find me without my Yeti tumbler. And on those solid green days, I'm not far from the wine fridge. For all my videos, I use a Canon D60 mounted on a Zhiyun Crane 3 gimbal and use an Audio-Technica condenser mic. All the editing is done on a Mac through Final Cut Pro and Logic. Most importantly, we all have something or someone we're trading for. It's good to keep that front of mind when you start your day. And with that, I hope you enjoyed my setup tour. Thanks for watching.